Hello there. Today I'd like to present you our natural waves and only real waves. We're collecting only best natural waves. Waves stay wavy after washing and drying because our waves are naturally wavy. We collect all kinds of natural waves. There are several types of waves. They are slight waves, body waves, deep waves, curly waves, etc. Our waves stay wavy after any procedure or any chemical process. You may bleach our waves and you will get wavy bleached ones. You may wash our waves and you will still have wavy ones. You may color our waves with permanent or semi-permanent colors and you still have waves there. Our waves are naturally grown, naturally wavy, naturally formed in the donor's roots. Our waves are healthy, cuticles are aligned to the same direction from root to ends. Our waves are natural, our waves are ready for styling. We offer two kinds of waves. We offer glossy, shiny waves with natural gloss and moisture. It's the silkiest wavy that we offer. We call them silk waves, very smooth, high luster, soft, fine waves. We also offer very special rough waves. We collect these virgin natural rough waves for special customers. Our rough waves are also known as coarse waves. Our coarse waves are in natural shapes. These natural waves are formed naturally from root to ends. Donors cut their rough, coarse waves when it gets too long. We collect them for our special ones. These coarse waves are virgin, Remy and cuticles are normal poros, great for our special customers who love such rough, coarse waves. And why would you choose our waves? There are three reasons for you to choose our waves. First reason is you want to have your natural waves with its natural textures. So that's exactly what we offer. And the second reason is you want your waves to be healthy, virgin and Remy. Exactly, we always make sure to collect such waves only. Third reason is you want to see your waves to stay wavy as long as you have them. Absolutely, we have been collecting such natural grown waves for a decade now. And I'd like to thank you for your interest in our natural donor waves. Thank you so much. Bye now. If you want to receive our notification for our listings, please subscribe and click bell button. Thank you.